Amigurumi drawstring closure. You can use this technique to close a round of crochet stitches in projects such as amigurumi or the crown of a hat. Once you have finished the final row or round of your pattern, fasten off your last stitch and cut a long tail of yarn. Thread the yarn through your sewing needle, then carefully pick up the front loop of each stitch. If you are working in the round, pick up the stitches in the same direction you crocheted. If you are working in rows, start by picking up the front loop of the first stitch at the opposite end of your yarn tail. Once you have picked up all the front loops, gently pull the needle through and tighten the yarn to close the gap in the center. Secure your yarn by weaving the tail into the wrong side of your project or the inside of your amigurumi. You have now completed your drawstring closure.